February 20th, we were out for an NS 316 with the Lehigh Valley Heritage Unit. This first 316 is 316-19, being from the day prior as it had sat overnight in Bison Yard. After about another 30 minutes of waiting, we'd see NS 316-20, with the NS 8104 Lehigh Valley Heritage Unit serving as mid-DPU as they climb out of Buffalo up the grade. We'd hop back in the car and head down further on Erie Street. We had made up a good amount of time on 8104 on the way to our second confirmed stop, so we decided to pull over and attempt to get a third shot, which turned out pretty good.
Look at this dude.
Our final stop was Town Line Road, where we were able to get a third shot of 8104. If you're ever in Buffalo and on the NS trackage along Erie Street, it's a great place to chase trains headed east out of Buffalo up the grade, as they are usually crawling. On the way home, we'd cross over the CSX tracks that also cross Town Line Road. We'd see a headlight off in the distance, that of which being M561, with an AC-44 leader in the YN2 paint. Later that night, I'd return out for a CSX I-169 with CSX 1899, the Pier Marquette Heritage Unit trailing, but first PO 63 with a P-42 DC leader, which are now becoming more and more rare on the Rochester sub due to the Amtrak Chargers now being certified to run through here, would come first as they head to Depew Station. A little while later, I-169's headlight would appear off in the distance. If you watched the last video, you'd see 1899 was leading the 168 a few days prior, and now is returning trailing on the I-169, the counterpart to the 168.